Alright, if you want to get a little more realistic mountain or rock face look working with styrofoam, going from a simpler look like this with the rounded edges and looking pretty manufactured to more of a rocky base, and I'm not quite done, I'm just starting the outlines here. You know, you break it up, get some of the polystyrofoam showing. I'll zoom down. You can start seeing I'm scarring going lengthwise and up a little along here somewhat vertically. I haven't started that side. It's nice and smooth. But what happens here is when you do paint over it, it's going to get the paints, different multicolors going in there and bring it out and pop it and make it look a lot more like a rock surface face. And the result of that scarring, you'll see here, ends up giving you more of this type of look. And as I pull it out on one of my war boards I've been working on, you can see right here how much more it gives it a natural look. So, and as you can see, I started this board and I haven't finished it yet, but you can make some gouges in here to give it more of a textured look. You can see I've already started going across with my cuts here, trying to get it a little more realistic. Down on the bottom here, you know, get your knife in or your tool, make some edges, pop those out. So pretty easy, simple, you know, and then eventually you'll be going over and I'll cover some paint probably in the next few days. Okay, so here I've got some more done, a little more in depth, going into detail. Still need to finish up some edges to make it a little more natural looking than it is, especially along this corner here. And as we pop around, you can see I'm trying to make the edges inside here look a little less rounded and a little more natural than what the styrofoam originally was. So in that way, it'll allow the 3 layers of paint to nicely go in there and pop it out and give you a more realistic look. Now I just need to vacuum up all the pieces, do a little fine tuning over there, come over to this end and do some detail and bring edges like over here to look a little more natural again, and over in this corner here and bring it down a little more to the sides and bring it in to make it look like one piece.